Welcome, motherfucker! Well, look what we got here. Doesn't it look stunning already? So in the heart of Serangoon North, welcome to this 5-room resale HDB flat. Do you know what theme is it?
I know. Modern French Parisian style.
Exactly. So are you ready for us to bring you through?
Wait. We haven't introduced ourselves yet.
Oh yeah.
I'm Ray.
And I'm Amelia. So
let's go.
welcome to my most favorite part of this entire renovation. It's definitely the kitchen. Let me tell you why. Okay, right now we are showing you is actually a fluted glass panel with arch design, and can you guess? This kitchen is able to fit in an entire island table, you know. To further enhance this place, we actually use up partition to do up this entire Victorian style dome design. Then afterwards, owner added this chandelier that actually just makes this whole place look so beautiful. If you think everything here is actually casement door design, you're wrong about it. Can you guess something special about this? It is actually a pocket door design with a pull-out rack. So this is actually convenient for our owners to use their utility stuff. Okay? So definitely it's different from the usual tall unit you see over here. So over here, we actually use carpentry to conceal their rubbish chute. And not just that, they added a wire mesh so that they will prevent cockroaches from actually coming out. So another thing about the carpentry is that for the doors, we are using shaker door design and we paired up with a gold trimming handles. And for the worktop, we are using sintered stone and wrapped up as backing. So this is actually to catch the entire Parisian theme feels that you are seeing over here. Okay?
Hey, so done already or not? I want to showcase to them about the living room.
Yes, I'm done.
And let's go. Okay, so now we are at the living room. As you can see over here for the ceiling wise, we are actually playing with cove lighting. So cove lighting is actually giving like ambience to the corners of all the house using LEDs. However, for the flat ceiling itself, right, we are using like focal light to shine on all those corners to give a little bit of ambience, quite cozy for the house, right? Okay, for the walls, everything is using wainscoting to give out the Victorian design, which is where we come into a French Parisian style. For here, you can see the wallpaper, 精水, right? So this one is actually carpentry itself. It's not partition. We do up to incorporate with the kitchen design itself. So in the front, here is a shoe cabinet. So shoe cabinet, we also do up an arc shape with mirror and also open compartments for our clients to display their helmets also. Okay, so now we are at the dining area. So we have a dedicated dining table for our owners to go and host up for their families. In order to beautify this whole place, we use up a hanging light. Very beautiful, right? Bling bling. Okay, so let's head over to the studies room, aka cat's room.
So actually we converted one of the rooms into a study area. Okay, so here we constructed a half-height wall followed by a glass panel so that it can make the entire space look much more spacious. Another thing is, can you see, for the casement door, we actually did out a cut-up hole, so it's actually for ventilation purposes. Okay, come here. Let's go. So for his study area, we did out a simple design just so that he can display his figurines and his setup as well. Okay, another thing is we did out this cat tower so that we can make use of the entire recess area. The cat's so cute! In their daughter's room, we actually did up this study area and integrated it together with their casement wardrobe. For the handles, as you can see, we are using a recessed groove handle design. And for their structural beam, you cannot really see, right? It's because we did up this shelving so that it will make the entire space look much more uniform and flush. In their master's room, for the bed head, is actually integrated together with the sliding wardrobe. Because owner keep a lot of clothing, so we actually maximize the entire space by doing carpentry up for this entire stretch. As for the dressing area, we did out a flip-up design so that owners can actually keep all her makeup and mirror in the carpentry.
So for the bathroom wise, we are using textured tiles to pair with sintered stones tabletop to give out a little bit of vibes. In order to add on aesthetics for the bathroom, we also do up LEDs at the box up as well as the vanity itself. To segregate the wet and dry area, we also do a half height wall with also a shower screen. So we come to the end of our house tour.
Hope you enjoy,
Remember to like, share and subscribe.
and see you in the next episode.
Bye bye!